Yo. Okay, so good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to all the subscribers. Today is another wonderful day. Of course, guys, it's Sunday. I said, let me make this quick one before we go to the church. All right. So, what is going on in the market? To be honest with you guys, the market has been consolidating a lot. All right, since the whole of this weekend, but I still expect a breakout. All right, I still expect a breakout for Bitcoin. Usually, all these people, market sellers and the rest, they will buy breaking Monday. They usually buy breaking Monday, and I still expect this price to go to 112k. I expect BTC to go to 112k anytime soon, probably this night. Okay, BTC to go to 112k, and I expect what? I expect Solana to reclaim back $200. If not, then it's not going to be interesting. All right. If we go below 100k here, of course, not anything can happen, guys. Anything can happen. But then, with all this consolidation happening in the market, we will definitely expect to see what? We'll definitely expect to see a breakout. All right. And this breakout can either be an upward breakout or a downward breakout. So look at Solana. This is also Solana. If you look critically, you realize that Solana, lots and lots of consolidation. The whole of this, you see, lots and lots of consolidation going on. So you either expect to break up like this or to break out like this, all right, in the upward direction, or you can just break down like this in the downward direction. So what do you expect? All right, it either breaks up, all right, or it breaks down. So for those of you who are traders, all right, so if it breaks up, then I'll shut it down. All right, so if it breaks down, okay, then what I'll do, I'll long it. All right, I'll wait for it to finish breaking up whatever he wants to do, and then I'll shut the market down. But if it breaks down, all right, but I am like 80% sure that will break up instead. I am 80% sure. All right, but of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for traders, all right? This is just for traders. But for those of you who are not traders, for those of you who are just holders of our token here, Feed the Wall Initiative, FWcoin, all right? If you're just a holder of our Feed the Wall coin, look, let me tell you something. What is happening here, you really need to take it very seriously. Okay, so we are experiencing, all right, because Solana is down, it's affecting us a little bit, all right, because Solana is down. But look at it. Let's look at it from the other way. Imagine when we're going to reclaim, all right, imagine when we reclaim our position back here at 0.0012. Do you know that if we reclaim at 0.0012, you're going to make 70% or 80%? If we reclaim this level, you make at least 80%. 0.0012, you make at least 80%. Guys, 80% can be in the next 2 months, can be in the next 3 months. Okay. I'm not going to give you any time frame, but if you're investing here or if you're a part of this, just know that you have to hold for long term. Okay, you have to hold for long term. All right, if you want to know what we are doing, you have to come to feedthewallinitiative.org. All right, and then follow us. Okay, when you follow us, you can now see read projects, you read on project, and then once you read on project, make sure that you're also following us on our social media pages. If you're not following me on how do I call it? If you're not following me on YouTube, make sure you follow me on this channel, guys. Please make sure you're following me. Oops, where am I? Make sure that you are following me on our YouTube channel. All right, this channel.
Good morning, Discord legends.
Yeah,
all right. I never read this up here.
Sorry about that.
Welcome to the legend.
All right, so make sure you're following me here, guys. Yeah, make sure you're following me here. This is my channel. This is me here. Guys, if you like, subscribe. Let's double this number to 20k followers so that we can do more interesting things together. All right. Okay, I will leave you with this one. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, and why not commenting. Until then, see you very, very soon.